Hey, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the realm of flags, a powerful way to group and control multiple enums in your code. We've covered enums in our previous video, so if you haven't checked that out, make sure you do. Now, let's imagine we have an enum with members A, B, and C. By default, they have integer values starting from 0. Assigning A to a variable and printing it out gives us the expected output of 0. Simple enough, right? Now, let's say instead of just picking one member, what if we want to select multiple of them? Before we do that, let's first understand how the bitwise, or operator, works. Imagine we have the numbers 3 and 5. Their binary representations are 011 and 101 respectively. When we use the bitwise or operator, each bit results in 1 if at least one of the bits is 1. So in this case, it results in 111, which is 7 in binary. Armed with this knowledge, now imagine that we have an enum to store the days of the week, and we want to allow the user to select multiple days. To make it a flag enum, we just add the flags attribute to the enum. Now let's take an example. Here we are combining Monday, Wednesday, and Friday by using the bitwise operator. The output as expected will be Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Now, you might be wondering why we're using powers of 2 as the values for the members of the enum. Well, let's take a closer look at the binary representations of these powers of 2. As you can see, the binary numbers for the powers of 2 are quite simple. They are just 1 followed by n number of zeros, or simply 10 raised to the power of n, where n is the power of 2. This is why using powers of 2 is crucial. Each member's binary representation occupies a unique bit position, ensuring that the combined result is a distinct value. Having a member with the value 0 is recommended as well, as it can be used when the user doesn't want to select any day, or when the selection is to be cleared. With that, we come to the end of this video. If you found this video useful, drop a like and consider subscribing to the channel. It is completely free and helps out a ton. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.